On Facebook, you might have added highlights. If you want to edit that highlights section after adding them, you can. In this video, we'll explain how to edit the highlights section on Facebook. To do this, open the Facebook app. At the top, you'll see 3 lines. Tap on those 3 lines. Once you do, you'll see your profile name. Tap on your profile name, and you'll be taken to your profile. On your profile, you'll see your existing highlights. To edit a highlight, tap on it. Then, at the top, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots, and you'll see an option called Edit Featured Collection. Tap on that option. When you tap on that, you'll see options to edit your highlights. To change the cover photo, tap on the cover, and you can choose any photo you want from there. Or, if you prefer, tap the button to select a photo from your gallery. For example, I'm selecting this photo, then tapping the Use button. Now, the cover photo is set. If you want to edit the title, you can do that too. Just add whatever title you like. If you want to remove a photo or story, simply uncheck it, and it'll be removed. To add a new photo or story, tap Add More, and you can select additional photos or stories from there. To add photos from your gallery, you'll see that option. When you tap it, you can view all your photos. If you want to add stories, scroll down to the Stories section. You'll see all your stories and can pick the ones you want. For example, I'm selecting this story. So, I've chosen one story and one photo. Then, tap the Next button. You'll see the selected photos, and after that, tap the Save button. Once you tap that, your highlights will be saved. That's how you can easily edit your Facebook highlights section. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.